The question is, in a homozygous pea plant, axial flower capital A are dominant over terminal flowers small a. A. What is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation if a plant bearing axial flowers is crossed with plant bearing pure terminal flowers? B. Draw a Punnett square board to show the gametes and offsprings when both the parent plants are heterozygous for axial flowers. C. What is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of the above cross shown in B? D. State Mendel's law of dominance. E. Name two genetic disorders commonly seen in human males. Now let's answer the A part. What is the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation if a plant bearing pure axial flowers is crossed with a plant bearing pure terminal flowers? So the genotype of plant bearing pure axial flowers is capital A and the genotype of plant bearing pure terminal flowers is small a. Now we can find the phenotype and genotype of F1 generation. First we have the phenotype. All F1 plants will have axial flowers because axial flower is the dominant trait. Next is genotype. All F1 plants will be heterozygous, that is one capital A and another small a. Now let's answer the B part. Draw a Punnett square board to show the gametes and offsprings when both the parent plants are heterozygous for axial flowers. So here we have the Punnett square for heterozygous cross. Heterozygous means capital A, small a. So these are the gametes and here we have the possible combination of offsprings. So we have one capital A, two capital A, and one small a. Next is, what is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of above cross shown in B? So here we have the cross and here we can observe the phenotypic ratio is 3 axial is to 1 terminal. So these three have axial flowers and this one is terminal. Next is genotypic ratio. We have genotypic ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1, that is 1 capital A, 2 capital A, and 1 small a. Now let's answer the D part. State Mendel's law of dominance. So here we have the Mendel's law of dominance. This law states that when two contrasting alleles of a gene are present together in heterozygous condition, only one allele expresses itself phenotypically, masking the expression of other allele. The expressed allele is called dominant allele while the masked allele is called recessive allele. For example, if we have the heterozygous condition capital T small t, in this case capital T is the dominant one because tallness is expressed phenotypically, masking the expression of small t. Next is, name two genetic disorders commonly seen in human males. The answer for this question is, two genetic disorders common in human males are: first, hemophilia, a bleeding disorder caused by a recessive gene on the X chromosome. Second is color blindness, a disorder affecting color perception, also caused by a recessive gene on the X chromosome. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.